Hi, I'm Coach Jay, and welcome to my channel.
Disclaimer o paalaala. All content shared here reflects my personal opinions and perspectives only. Ang lahat ng nilalaman ay batay sa aking sariling pananaw at opinyon. This is intended for entertainment and informational purposes lamang at hindi dapat ituring bilang professional advice. Ang pag-iingat ng manonood ay kinakailangan. Isolation is not just about being alone. It's a silent setup for depression. Studies confirm that prolonged disconnection from others rewires the brain, weakens emotional resilience, and magnifies stress. The real danger is that people often don't notice the signs until it's too late. Kapag pinag-uusapan ng isolation, hindi lang ito simpleng me time. Research shows na kapag sobra ang pag-iisa, tumataas ang risk ng depression, anxiety, at cognitive decline. Ang masakit pa, madalas hindi napapansin ng tao na unti-unti na silang lumalayo sa mundo. Imagine, parang nagiging invisible ka sa sarili mong community. At kung invisible ka, sino pa ang magpapaalala na buhay ka? Nakakatawa man pakinggan. Pero parang wifi signal din yan. Akala mo stable, tapos biglang nawawala, at doon mo lang marirealize na disconnected ka na pala.
Hey buddy, just a quick one. If you like it here, please subscribe and follow me for more videos.
Isolation is like a slow poison. Hindi agad ramdam, pero unti-unti kang kinakain. Studies from Science Direct and Frontiers confirm na social isolation triggers depressive symptoms dahil bumababa ang brain activity sa areas responsible for emotional regulation. Ang tao na walang social support ay mas prone sa stress hormones, kaya kahit maliit na problema, parang end of the world na. Makikita mo ang signs kapag isang tao ay laging nagkakansela ng plans, avoiding calls, at mas gusto pang magkulong kaysa makihalubilo. Hindi ito simpleng introvert vibes, kundi warning na baka may deeper struggle. Ang katawan mismo nagre-react, fatigue, insomnia, at minsan physical pain. Parang alarm system na hindi pinapansin. Preventing isolation is not rocket science, pero kailangan ng effort. Psychology Today suggests simple acts like volunteering, joining community groups, or even daily meditation to reconnect with self and others. Ang irony, kahit hyper-connected tayo sa social media, mas lumalala ang loneliness dahil kulang sa totoong interaction. Kaya kung gusto mong hindi lamunin ng isolation, kailangan mong piliin ang authentic connections kaysa likes at shares. Funny thing, minsan, ang solusyon ay sobrang basic. Lumabas ng bahay, kausapin ang kapitbahay, o mag-offer ng tulong sa simpleng bagay. Studies even show na kindness acts reduce loneliness kasi may instant feedback ng belongingness. Kung tutuusin, hindi kailangan ng grand gestures. Kailangan lang ng consistent human contact. At kung ikaw mismo ang nakakaramdam ng isolation, huwag mong gawing pride ang pagiging strong alone. Hindi ito badge of honor, kundi silent killer. Ang tunay na lakas ay yung marunong humingi ng tulong, marunong makisama, at marunong magpatawa kahit sa gitna ng struggle. Kung hindi, baka ang ending mo ay parang cellphone na walang charger. Akala mo kaya pa, pero biglang dead bat. Final message. Isolation is a trap na hindi agad nakikita, pero once mahulog ka, mahirap umakyat. Ang lesson dito, connection is not optional, it's survival. Depression thrives sa silence, kaya ang pinaka-dangerous na lugar ay yung utak na walang kausap. Kung gusto mong hindi maging prisoner ng sarili mong kwarto, kailangan mong piliin ang interaction kahit uncomfortable. Hindi lahat ng tao ay safe space, pero kahit isang totoong connection lang ay sapat para hindi ka lamunin ng emptiness. Ang tanong ay hindi kung kaya mong mag-isa, kundi kung kaya mong manatiling buhay sa gitna ng ingay ng mundo. At kung hindi mo pipiliin ang connection ngayon, baka bukas wala ka ng energy para piliin pa. Kaya please, wag natin hayaang mag-isa ang kahit sino man. A simple hi or hello to someone might save a life. And while you're at it, give them a hug.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me for more videos.